Hello kids. Today we are going to see 4th class English Ekalavya lesson grammar part. Already in previous classes we have seen the question answers and also vocabulary. Okay, what a good student should have, that already we have seen. Now we'll see the grammar part. In olden days, children used to learn archery, wrestling, etc. These days, what things do you learn at school? So they have given some words. In that, you have to encircle the things which you are learning in school. Okay? We'll see one by one. Wrestling. So in schools we don't learn wrestling. So don't encircle it. Next, archery. Archery also we are not learning now. Next, writing. Writing we are learning, so circle it. Reading, yes. Fighting we don't learn in school. Next, painting, yes, circle it. Reciting means telling a poem or a passage, means reading loudly. So that also we do in school, so circle it. Next, mathematics, yes, circle it. Science, circle it. Social studies, circle it. Sanskrit, circle it. English, circle it. Telugu, Hindi, grammar, all these we learn in school, so circle them. Next, music, yes, music also we learn. Crafts also we learn. Pottery, so pottery we don't learn in school, so don't circle it. Next, scriptures, yes, we do scriptures. Next, dance also we do. So all these things circle it, and given below the space you have to write all these words. Okay, write all these words which you have circled in the given space below. Okay, by this we complete this second bit. Okay, read the following sentences from the story. First one, Dronacharya was the royal teacher of the Pandavas and the Kauravas of Hastinapura. Second one, Arjuna was one of the Pandavas. The words Dronacharya and Arjuna are the names of persons. The word Hastinapura is the name of a place. The words Pandavas and Kauravas are names of a family group. Teacher is the name of a profession. Such words are called naming words or nouns. A noun is a word that is the name of a person, place, thing, living and non-living things, or an idea. So nouns are nothing but it's a name of anything, it may be living or non-living things. Okay, pick out the naming words, nouns from the story and write them below. So from the story, read the story, and from that you have to pick out the naming words, that is nouns. So I have picked few words, you can pick some more also. Okay, here I have written jungle, tribes, forest, clay, arrow, dog. Okay, you search some more and write down. Okay, next read the following sentences from the story. Ekalavya was a young and active boy. He was the son of the chief of the jungle tribes. The princes were surprised. Soon there was a young man with bow and arrows. The word he in the second sentence is used instead of the word Ekalavya in the first sentence. The word they in the fourth sentence is used instead of the word princess in the third sentence. Such words which are used instead of naming words are called as pronouns. More examples: she, it, his, I, her, him, we, etc. So what do you mean by a pronoun? When you use a word instead of the name, so those are called as pronouns. Okay, instead of the names if you use some other words. That is, here you can see in the first example, instead of Ekalavya, in second sentence we have used he. So that is nothing but he is a pronoun. So like that, he, she, they, her, him, we, all these things comes under pronouns. Okay, instead of naming names, whatever words we use, those are nothing but pronouns. Okay, replace the underlined words with the suitable pronoun. I, we, they, he, she. So here some words are given. Instead of that word, you have to replace it with pronoun. Okay, so first one you can see, Pushpa is a good girl. Below it is given dash likes to help her. So Pushpa likes to help her. Instead of Pushpa, what you have to write there? Pronoun she. Okay, she likes to help others. Second one, Babu is going to school. So Babu is underlined, and instead of Babu, what you have to write? Pronoun he. He likes school. Similarly, third one, Subhadra and Rani were reading a storybook. So both are there, two members are there. So we have to write they. They enjoy reading stories. Next, Jyoti says dash I'm a student. Am is there, so there is nothing but she herself. I you have to write. Okay. Next, read and sing the following song. Replace the underlined words, that is pronouns, with the names of your friends. Write the song again. So here some song is given. Kids train. He plays a train. She plays a whistle. They move away. So here the song is given. Instead of pronouns, you have to write names of your friends. Okay, whatever names you want, you can write here. For example, I'll give some names. Okay, but you don't write as it is. You write your own names. Okay. So first, kids train. He plays a train. So here I have taken Rohit. Rohit plays a train. Next, she plays a whistle. Sona plays a whistle. They move away. Rohit and Raju move away. So here I have taken some names. You can write your own names. Okay. So instead of pronouns, you have to write the nouns. Okay. Understood how to write? So just replace the pronouns with names. Whatever names you want, you write down. Okay. Now similarly, two more songs are there, hide and seek game and king and queen game. Here also replace the pronouns with the names. See here you can see I have replaced the pronouns with some names. So you can write it on your own. Okay, you take your own names and write down. Okay, the first hide and seek game, he plays a thief. So I wrote instead of E, Ramu plays a thief. Next, I play a police. Deepthi plays a police. We play hide and seek. Ramu and me play hide and seek. Okay. King and queen game. He plays a king. Hari plays a king. She plays a queen. Sita plays a queen. They play a drama. Hari and Sita plays a drama. Okay. So like this, you write your own names, whatever names, your friends' names, whatever it may be, you write down. Okay. By this, we completed the grammar part. In next video, we'll continue writing part. Bye kids. Have a nice day.